Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of SWOT analysis, a powerful tool used by businesses and individuals alike to assess their current position and plan for the future. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a structured approach that helps you understand both internal and external factors that can impact your success. Whether you're launching a new project, evaluating your career, or steering a company, SWOT analysis provides a clear framework for decision making. Let's start by exploring each component and see how they work together to create a comprehensive picture. Let's begin with strengths. These are the internal attributes and resources that give you or your organization an advantage over others. Strengths might include a skilled workforce, strong brand reputation, advanced technology, or efficient processes. Identifying strengths is about recognizing what you do well and what sets you apart from competitors. By understanding your strengths, you can leverage them to achieve your goals and maintain a competitive edge. Next, we'll look at the flip side, weaknesses. Weaknesses are the internal factors that may hinder your progress or put you at a disadvantage. These could be outdated technology, lack of expertise, limited resources, or poor location. It's important to be honest when identifying weaknesses, as acknowledging them is the first step toward improvement. By understanding your weaknesses, you can develop strategies to address or minimize their impact. Now let's shift our focus to the external environment and explore opportunity. Opportunities are external factors that you can capitalize on to grow or improve. These might include emerging markets, technological advancements, changes in consumer behavior, or regulatory shifts. Recognizing opportunities requires staying informed about industry trends and being proactive in seeking new possibilities. By identifying and acting on opportunities, you can position yourself or your organization for future success. But with opportunities come challenges. Let's talk about threats. Threats are external elements that could cause trouble for you or your organization. These might include new competitors, changing regulations, economic downturns, or negative press. Identifying threats allows you to prepare and develop contingency plans. By being aware of potential risks, you can take steps to protect your interests and reduce the impact of unforeseen challenges. Now that we've covered the four components, let's see how they fit together in a SWOT matrix. SWOT matrix is a simple grid that organizes your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in one place. This visual tool helps you see the big picture and identify relationships between different factors. By laying everything out, you can spot patterns, prioritize actions, and develop strategies that play to your strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, and guard against threats. Let's walk through how to create your own SWOT matrix step by step. Start by listing all your strengths in the first quadrant of the matrix. Think about what you or your organization does best. Consider resources, skills, reputation, and any unique advantages. Be specific and thorough. This is your foundation for building effective strategies. Once you've listed your strengths, you're ready to move on to the next section, weaknesses. In the second quadrant, write down your weaknesses. These are areas where you or your organization could improve. Don't shy away from being honest. Acknowledging weaknesses is crucial for growth. Consider things like resource gaps, skill shortages, or operational inefficiencies. With a clear list of weaknesses, you can start thinking about how to address them. Next, focus on the third quadrant, opportunities. Look outside your organization for trends, changes, or gaps in the market that you could take advantage of. Opportunities might come from new technologies, partnerships, or shifts in consumer preferences. By identifying these, you can plan how to make the most of them. Finally, fill in the fourth quadrant with threats. These are external challenges that could impact your success. Think about competitors, market changes, or regulatory issues. By listing threats, you can prepare strategies to minimize their impact and stay resilient in a changing environment. It's important to remember that strengths and weaknesses are internal factors, while opportunities and threats are external. This distinction helps you focus your efforts, work on improving what's within your control, and adapt to what's happening outside. Understanding this difference is key to making the most of your SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is valuable because it provides a clear, organized way to assess your situation. It encourages strategic thinking and helps you make informed decisions. Whether you're planning a new venture, launching a product, or evaluating your career, SWOT analysis gives you the insights needed to move forward with confidence. Let's look at a personal example. Imagine you're considering a career change. Your strengths might include strong communication skills and a wide professional network. Weaknesses could be lack of experience in your desired field. Opportunities might include a growing industry or new training programs. Threats could be high competition or economic uncertainty. By mapping these out, you can make a more informed decision about your next steps. Now let's consider a business example. Suppose a small cafe is facing new competition. Its strengths are loyal customers and a unique menu. Weaknesses might be limited marketing and small staff. Opportunities could include expanding delivery services or hosting events. Threats might be rising costs or new competitors. This analysis helps the cafe owner decide where to focus efforts for growth. SWOT analysis can also be used for teams. For example, a project team might list technical expertise as a strength but note communication issues as a weakness. Opportunities could include new project management tools, while threats might be tight deadlines or shifting client needs. This approach helps teams align their efforts and address challenges together. SWOT analysis is useful in many situations: starting a new business, launching a product, entering a new market, or even planning personal development. It's a flexible tool that can be adapted to different needs and industries. Whenever you need a clear picture of your situation, SWOT analysis is a great place to start. To conduct a thorough SWOT analysis, gather information from various sources. This might include market research, customer feedback, financial reports, or competitor analysis. The more data you have, the more accurate your SWOT will be. Involving different perspectives can also uncover insights you might have missed. Brainstorming is a key part of SWOT analysis. Gather your team and encourage open discussion. Use sticky notes, whiteboards, or digital tools to capture ideas. The goal is to generate as many insights as possible before organizing them into the matrix. This collaborative approach leads to a more comprehensive analysis. Once you've listed all your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, it's time to prioritize. Not all factors are equally important. Focus on the ones that will have the biggest impact on your goals. This helps you allocate resources effectively and make strategic decisions. A SWOT analysis is only useful if it leads to action. Use your findings to create a plan. Set specific goals, assign responsibilities, and establish timelines. By turning insights into action, you can drive real progress and achieve your objectives. After implementing your action plan, monitor your progress regularly. Track key metrics, review your SWOT matrix, and adjust your strategies as needed. This ongoing process ensures that you stay on track and respond to changes in your environment. Be aware of common pitfalls in SWOT analysis. These include being too vague, focusing only on the positives, or failing to follow up with action. To avoid these, be specific, balanced, and proactive. A well-executed SWOT analysis is both honest and actionable. Startups can benefit greatly from SWOT analysis. It helps founders understand their unique value proposition, identify market gaps, and anticipate challenges. By regularly updating their SWOT, startups can adapt quickly and stay ahead of the competition. Established companies use SWOT analysis to maintain their competitive edge. It helps them assess changing market conditions, evaluate new opportunities, and address internal challenges. Regular SWOT reviews keep organizations agile and focused on long-term success. In marketing, SWOT analysis is used to craft effective campaigns. Marketers assess their brand's strengths, identify areas for improvement, spot market opportunities, and prepare for threats from competitors. This strategic approach leads to more targeted and successful marketing efforts. Project managers use SWOT analysis to assess project feasibility and risks. By identifying strengths and weaknesses within the team as well as external opportunities and threats, they can plan more effectively and increase the chances of project success. Educators and students can use SWOT analysis to improve learning outcomes. Teachers might analyze their teaching methods while students assess their study habits. By understanding strengths and weaknesses, both can develop strategies for improvement. On a personal level, SWOT analysis can help you set and achieve goals. By honestly assessing your abilities and environment, you can make better decisions about your future. This self-awareness is the first step toward meaningful growth. Nonprofit organizations use SWOT analysis to maximize their impact. By identifying strengths like community support and weaknesses such as limited funding, they can pursue opportunities and prepare for challenges. This helps nonprofits serve their mission more effectively. There are many digital tools available to help you conduct a SWOT analysis. From templates to collaborative platforms, these tools make it easier to organize information and share insights with your team. Choose the one that best fits your needs and workflow. Visual aids like charts and diagrams can make your SWOT analysis more impactful. Use color coding, icons, or infographics to highlight key points. A clear visual presentation helps everyone understand the analysis at a glance. SWOT analysis works best when it's collaborative. Involve people from different departments or backgrounds to get a well-rounded view. Diverse perspectives lead to richer insights and more effective strategies. A SWOT analysis isn't a one-time exercise. Review and update it regularly to reflect changes in your environment or organization. This keeps your strategies relevant and ensures you're always prepared for new challenges. How does SWOT compare to other strategic tools? While SWOT is simple and versatile, other tools like pest analysis or Porter's 5 forces offer different perspectives. Combining multiple tools can give you a more comprehensive understanding of your situation. While SWOT analysis is useful, it has limitations. It relies on subjective judgment and may oversimplify complex situations. To get the most value, combine SWOT with other data and be as objective as possible in your assessments. To make your SWOT analysis actionable, turn each insight into a specific step. For example, use a strength to pursue an opportunity or develop a plan to address a weakness. Actionable insights drive real results. Share your SWOT analysis with stakeholders in a clear and engaging way. Use presentations, reports, or infographics to communicate key findings and action plans. Effective communication ensures everyone is aligned and ready to move forward. Let's look at a tech company's SWOT analysis. Strengths include innovative products and a talented team. Weaknesses might be high turnover or limited market share. Opportunities could involve expanding into new regions, while threats include rapid technological change. This analysis guides the company's strategic planning. A retail store's SWOT analysis might highlight strengths like a prime location and loyal customers. Weaknesses could be outdated inventory systems. Opportunities may include e-commerce expansion, while threats could be new competitors or changing consumer habits. This helps the store adapt and thrive. A nonprofit's SWOT analysis might show strengths in community engagement and weaknesses in fundraising. Opportunities could be new grants or partnerships, while threats might include policy changes. This analysis helps the nonprofit focus its efforts for greater impact. The business environment is always changing. Regular SWOT analysis helps you stay agile and adapt to new challenges or opportunities. By keeping your analysis up to date, you can respond quickly and stay ahead of the curve. SWOT analysis can spark innovation by highlighting areas for improvement and new possibilities. Use your findings to brainstorm creative solutions and explore new directions. Innovation often starts with a clear understanding of your current situation. By identifying threats and weaknesses, SWOT analysis helps you build resilience, develop contingency plans, and strengthen vulnerable areas. This proactive approach prepares you to handle setbacks and keep moving forward. SWOT analysis is a tool for continuous improvement. Use it regularly to assess your progress, identify new challenges, and refine your strategies. This commitment to improvement leads to long-term success. In summary, SWOT analysis is a versatile and powerful tool for strategic planning. By understanding your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can make informed decisions and achieve your goals. Make SWOT analysis a regular part of your planning process and watch your success grow.